Okay. See, question number 4 is a little bit bigger question, and we will try to solve within this space. See, a school awarded 38 medals in football. Okay. Shall I write directly at one go? Steps. Or else we will study first. A school awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and 20 in cricket. Okay. Now I will write steps. See, medals in football. NF is equal to 38, comma. Medals in basketball, NB is equal to 15, comma. Medals in cricket, C is equal to 20. Okay? Football, basketball, cricket. First line over. Suppose these medals went to a total of 58 students. That means N of F union B union C is equal to 58. Okay? Total means 58. Of all medals for football, cricket, basketball together are going to become 58 medals. 58 students. Only 3 got medals in all 3 sports. All 3 sports they have got means, shall I write like this? They have got football and basketball and cricket. Only 3. Okay? Only 3 got all 3 sports. Okay. Now see, 5 students got medal in football and basketball. Actually, this line is not required. Without that also we can do. But even though they have given, that is why I am writing. Football and basketball is 5. See, when 3 sports have come, F intersection P is not having that much value. Okay, if only one they give means. If they give all 3, that is okay. Now, question, observe carefully what they are asking. This is not that much easy. You have to think this. The number of medals received in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. See, I am writing what they are asking. They are asking this. Observe carefully what they are asking. Only 3 sports, only 2 sports. F intersection B, intersection C dash. Why? Because see, only exactly 2 sports means exactly football and basketball, but not cricket. Not means intersection complement, C complement. Only this, no. Football, intersection cricket, complement of basketball. That means cricket should not be there, these 2 should be there. Basketball should not be there, these should be there. Again, plus B intersection C intersection football complement. Basketball and cricket should be there, but football should not be there. Then only see exactly 2, not third one. This you require. How you are going to achieve? Okay? See, this you require, but with existing data, can we find anything? We can find. Why? Because see, F intersection B intersection C they have given, F union B union C also they have given. Okay? Then what you are going to find? See, here, observe carefully, here, one by one I am writing, you see. N of F intersection B intersection C dash is equal to, okay, N of F intersection B minus N of F intersection B intersection C. See, I will draw the Venn diagram, again I will remove. Why? Because see, RS we don't have space. See, these are the 3 things we are having. See, first I am writing, see, all 3. Okay, and now I am writing first what they have given. They have given football F, afterward they have given basketball B, afterward they have given C, cricket C. Now observe carefully here. First I have written this one. See, I want only football and basketball but not cricket. No cricket. Then only exactly 2. Exactly 2 means these 2 only, but not this. How you are going to get it? See, F intersection B they have given 5. 5 means already 3 is there. Then you keep 2. Understand that? But this you are getting, but what about these two? You are not going to get. You are unable to get. Why? Because see here, n f intersection b they have given. That is why you can find this. What they are asking, see, like this 2 x y. 2 plus x plus y they are asking. Why? Because see here 2 exactly football and basketball they play. X exactly football and cricket they play. Y exactly basketball and cricket they play. Okay? See what I am doing, observe carefully here. What I am doing, observe carefully. See, to find f intersection b only but not c, I am removing this. Is it okay? Why? Because c I have removed like you think. This c ring I have removed. If I remove c ring, then what will happen exactly? F intersection b will be there. Okay? F intersection b. Total how much it will come? 5 will come. But how we are going to find that 2? Then you have to minus this 3. Understand? Okay? You have to minus these 3. Why? Because F intersection B intersection C, 3 are there. These 3 you have to remove. Okay? Then only these 2 will come. Here also, without these 3, these 2 will come. Without these 3, these 2 will come. That means, see this formula for this one, for second one, n, I will use another pen. N, F intersection B, not B. F intersection C intersection B dash complement is equal to n of F intersection C minus n of F intersection B intersection C. Because F intersection C means F intersection C will come, B dash means complement, this you have to minus. Okay? Now what we have done, F intersection C. These two we are taking and this we are, if you remove this, total will come. But if you apply this, automatically this only will come. Yes, you understand this? Okay? Like this third one also. Third one is this one. You see, n of B intersection F, not F, C intersection F dash is equal to n of B intersection C minus n of F intersection B intersection C. Okay? And now I am removing this. This Venn diagram now you don't require. Now wait. You require this. You have written this formula. Do you have all these things? You don't have. But how you are going to find this? Individually you are unable to find this. Okay, individually you are unable to find this. But you go for a complete formula for 3. Okay, what is that formula? You see what I am writing. N of F union B union C is equal to n of F plus n of B plus n of C minus n of F intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of F intersection C plus n of F intersection B intersection C. Okay, and now you see here n of F intersection B, B intersection C, F intersection C. These three you are going to get. Why? Because you require these means are, you are going to add these. If you are going to add means these are you are going to add. Separately you are not going to get. That you keep in your mind. Okay? Do you have this? Yes, definitely. Why? Because 58. Write down 58 is equal to F you are having, yes, 38 plus B you are having, yes, 50 plus C you are having, yes, 20 minus this separately you write. That means see n of F intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of F intersection C plus F intersection B intersection C, yes, 3. Okay, if that is the case, okay, and now you see 38 plus 5, 43 plus 10, 53 plus 20, 73 plus 3, 76. 76 minus 58, 18. That means see this value you are going to get F of F intersection B plus, why? Because I am changing this side. N of B intersection C plus N of F intersection C is equal to 18. Understand? That means, see here, this if you require, these are going to give 18. Okay? But how many times you have to subtract these? 3 times. Okay? Now I am directly writing here. This is equal to, this value is 18 minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. That is equal to 18 minus 9. That is equal to 9. This will be your answer. You understand this? Okay? I don't have space. That is why I have written here. Okay? Now we stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.